Curson Carpentry's got a great reputation through maintaining our core values in business. Great customer service, high quality workmanship, and we recruit the up and coming workforce through apprenticeships.
I would recommend Curson Carpentry because of their helpful approach, flexible approach to perhaps awkward customers, and their versatility.
Yeah, I would certainly recommend Curson Carpentry to friends and family because I found them to be a very helpful company, plenty of advice, competitive prices.
People should choose us because we've got a firm foothold in the marketplace now, as that shows through our success and growth in business. We're experienced at what we do, we listen to the customer's key values, and we deliver that product that they want to achieve through our experience. We're good at what we do, and we like to show that off.